Hey there, I'm just going to do a super quick edit during a football commercial because the Patriots are playing and I don't want to miss it. But I took these photos today of my daughter for an Instagram loop that I'm in tomorrow, and I just wanted to show you real quick how quickly I can edit while applying a preset that I have adjusted. A preset's going to put on all these adjustments on my photo automatically for me that I would normally do by hand. So it just saves time. You can see on the left hand side here, it's Erin 35. And this is what it looks like. And I could, certainly leave it just like that. But I'm gonna tweak it just a little bit to make it look even better. And first thing I'm gonna do is adjust the temperature because it's a little bit on the cool side, and I want it to be warmer. Whoops, I didn't want to increase my reading. Okay. Well, it's nicer when it's warmer. It's just more fall-like, I guess. I'm going to lift my blacks a little bit. There we go. I'm going to add a radial filter. Set all the adjustments. You want to make sure that if you want the adjustments on the inside, you click invert, and then that'll happen. Alright. Save it. Beautiful. I'm going to lift my blacks here a tiny bit. And a little bit of clarity. A little bit of sharpness. Just love her face. She's so beautiful. What else do I want to do here? I want to darken this corner right here. It's a little bit distracting to me. So I'm going to select a brush, bring my exposure way down, and just paint over that area. And then maybe bring down everything else. Here we go. Good. Alright. This is looking good. Let me show you real quick before and after. Before, after. I'm seeing a little bit too much yellow in her skin for my taste. So I go down to the HSL color panel and open it up, go to saturation, and I'm going to just drag this down a little bit. I think I like that better. And the luminance, I'm gonna bump my red up a little bit. I wonder. There, just zeroed out the red. If I move it towards the left, it's more pink. Towards the right, it's more orange. I just want it right in the middle, red. And saturation, maybe there. Let's do it before and after again. Before and after. One final thing I'm going to do is I want to brighten up the colors in these leaves here. So I have a brush, and I'm going to saturate. And normally I come in pretty close here and paint with the brush over everything I want saturated. This is going to be a little messy for time's sake because I can see the football game coming back on in the background. Alright. I'll show you. Whoops. Didn't want to move that. Good. Alright. Let's see. And that red is just from pressing the O on the keyboard. It it shows you where you're painting to make it a little bit easier. This a little bit, saturate it a little bit more. Let's see. And if you click here, it takes away the adjustments that you've made. So, okay. I like that, but I'm going to bring that down a little bit. I'm going to remove that a little bit. Pretty nice. There, if I add some warmth and some magenta, it makes it stand out even a little bit more. Alright, I think this is my final edit. I hope you enjoyed watching me do this. If you have any questions, please just leave them in the comments. Thank you.